way that belong to me, way wrong back.
Shillong MP and Congress chief in Meghalaya, Vincent has stated that the popularity graph of Voice of People's Party is declining in the state, pointing out that the VPP will definitely eat up the votes of some political party in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Pala, however, added that the newly floated regional party cannot be taken lightly. He also said that now it is to be seen as to which political party can hold on to their votes in the upcoming polls. It may be mentioned that Shillong parliamentary seat is heading for a multi-cornered political battle in the polls, as VPP and BJP have already announced their candidates for the polls.
Definitely VPP is coming out in a strong way. You see in the short span they got a good vote share, and definitely VPP will have whose vote they will take that only after the results. But I think VPP will definitely take certain vote share in certain areas. It may not be strong in certain areas, but definitely it will be strong in certain areas in and around Shillong, number one. And also, it depends. See, another 4 months elections is a long way for politics, and sometimes it's very short also. It depends how the other parties will vote.
The state government's